Hello kids, welcome you back to my English class. Now let's review your previous lesson. Unit 9. Where does she work? Where does she work? Where does she work? Listen, point and repeat. Hospital, hospital. School, school. Airport, airport. Police station, police station. Police station. Fire station, fire station. Shop, shop. Okay, now let's read aloud all the words. Tự các em đọc tất to các từ nhé. That's good. Let's move on part 3. Listen and read. My dad's a policeman. My dad's a policeman. Where does he work? Where does he work? He works in a police station. He works in a police station. Does your grandma work? Does your grandma work? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. Does your mom work? Yeah, she does. She works in a shop. There are lots of cakes here, Tim. There are lots of cakes here, Tim. Yes, I know. My mom works in a cake shop. Yes, I know. My mom works in a cake shop. Have a cake, boys. Okay, thank you. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Các bạn nhớ luyện tập ghi âm trả bài cho cô giáo nhé. Goodbye, guys.